Good morning.
Time to call the docket for today, December the 1st of 2021.
Hi, any cartons of these? If you don't have them in, they might be outside.
What's outside? All right. Let's see. We've got the little ticket appeal 153942, State versus Benjamin Andrews. An attorney is Michael Villa.
Present on that, Your Honor. I'd like to confer with the state when they have a chance.
All right, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Then we have 239, you're number one, 239171. Somebody needs to be muted, please, while I call the docket. 239171, State versus Esmeralda Marshall. Attorney.
Your Honor, this is Michael Zamora. Yes. I have not had any contact with this individual. I got appointed October 8th. There's no number on her appointment letter, and she got a PR bond. So I have no way of getting a hold of her.
All right. We will reset this 30 days. Well, Patricia, in January?
Yes, sir.
It was earliest date in January. Of course, obviously not January 1st.
January 4th.
That's fine.
Let's
May I
try
be
the
excused, Your Honor?
yeah, but keep trying to see if we can find a way to contact this lady.
I'm going to mail her a letter, and that's probably my last resort.
There you go.
Have a good
558,
day.
you too, 558-626.
Your ID right quick.
Domingo Ibarra, no attorney.
Court
Domingo Ibarra.
date.
Hello, Domingo Ibarra, anybody? All right, Domingo Ibarra is absent, no attorney. 559064, State versus Blanca Ramirez, attorney, Jesse Sepulveda Jr.
Present on that, Your Honor. My client's present as well. We'd like to confer.
All right, sir, you are number two to confer. 574185, State versus Valerie Rodriguez, no attorney of record. Valerie Rodriguez, absent at this time. 579939, State versus Camille Schober, attorney.
She's present with counsel. I'd like to confer.
All right, sir, you're number three to confer. 603-205, motion to revoke. It is Joshua Baxter. Let's see, defendant has.
I'm here.
Mr. Baxter, you have an active warrant on you. You need to get that cleared up. And David Cuellar,
Yes, sir.
attorney.
Your Honor, we're both present. I filed a motion to reinstate bond. I don't know if the court has a chance to consider that. We're trying to get Mr. Baxter into drug DWI court, and I'm trying to contact his officer, and I'm not having much luck on that. So it's kind of a mess, and I'm trying to clear it out best I can.
All right, well, check with us at the end of the docket. Maybe we can move it a little bit. 604563, State versus Cassandra Navarro, attorney, none. Cassandra Navarro. Ms. Navarro is absent at this time. Six oh six oh one six, State versus Ruben Medina, attorney, David Garcia.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present for him. I can't see him on the screen, but he did get I did email him the Zoom link. He's been in contact with both Patty Garcia and myself
I see
over
Mr.
time.
Medina on the screen. Ruben Medina, unmute and say good morning.
There he is, Judge. He's present.
Right.
If you could
What do
put
you
me in
want to
line to meet with the prosecutor to
Your
confer,
number-
Judge.
You're number four.
Thank you.
608311, State versus Monday Locklear, and it's Andrew Del Cueto's attorney.
Present, sir.
Joey Contreras is here in his place, and we'd like to join the line to confer, Judge.
You are number 5, Mr. Contreras, Judge
And
Contreras.
she has 2 causes. So we'll see what we can do.
All right, sir, thank you. On to page 2. 608-943, State versus Edwin Benitez, attorney, Alberto Acevedo.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Who's
Edwin Benitez.
Mr. Benitez, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Albert Acevedo, the third, with clarity and enunciation, is absent. No answer from Alberto the third. 621-391 and 392, State versus David Hernandez, attorney, William Brooks.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Is that Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Hernandez. It appears Mr. Brooks has not appeared at the moment. You have to wait for him. 622-40, State versus Rhonda McCumber. David Volk.
Your Honor, I'm present on that. I had emailed Ms. Haas some information to look at with regards to the video. There is a probable cause issue. I don't believe she's had a chance to review it. I sent that to her on the 20th of October. And I don't know if the court wants to reset to give her time to do that. She would need to sit down with the video and take some time to do it. And I don't think she's had an opportunity.
I'm sure she's had the opportunity, just hasn't had the time. Is your client with us, Mr. Volk?
I'm sorry?
Is your client here?
She should be, Judge. If not, I will get her on momentarily. We did send her the link.
Rhonda McCumber. There's no response, Mr. Volk.
Let me text her, Judge, and I'll stand by.
All right, are you going to try and confer with Ms. Haas?
I can, but I'm pretty sure she hasn't had a chance to look at it.
Well, then what you want actually is a reset, but you're going to have to press Ms. Haas on that.
Okay, I'll confer then. Thanks.
Confer, your number 6. 624-678, State versus Veronica Gutierrez, attorney, Catherine Valenzuela.
Judge, she's running late.
I'm present. Veronica.
Good morning, Ms. Gutierrez.
Good morning.
Ms. Valenzuela will be joining us in a little while, so stick around.
Judge, also,
Okay.
we missed Will Brooks is also running late. He's in the 187th.
Okay. Actually, they're not running late. They're just in another court, but that's okay. 625-689, State versus Raymond Schaefer, attorney, Sean Brown.
Judge Alex Sharp here, and Mr. Schaefer is present. I would like to be placed in line to confer.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you both.
Morning.
You're number 7 to confirm, Mr. Brown, Mr. Sharp.
Thank you.
625, you're welcome. 625-758, State versus William Castillo, no attorney of record.
Present, sir.
William Castillo,
Yes, sir.
good morning to you.
Good morning.
Did you bring an attorney? Have you hired one?
No, sir. I couldn't find the link online. I couldn't get a hold of.
I can barely hear you. Are you in a courtroom?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
There you go.
I couldn't find the link online. I think I did it wrong, and I never got the email from the clerk.
Are you going to be able to hire an attorney?
I can't afford one, sir.
Okay, then. We have Deputy Contreras today.
No, it's Deputy Monica.
Deputy Grabowski, Your Honor. I'll be your bailiff from now on, sir.
Is Deputy Monica what? Hello, Deputy
Deputy Grabowski, Your Honor.
Dubas?
Michelle Grabowski.
Michelle, sorry.
Spell the last name.
Grab as in boy, Owski.
Oh, that's a mouthful. All right.
It's Polish.
Can you assist Mr. Castillo in filling out an application for a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
Then I would ask you to do so, and I
sir.
appreciate that.
Not a problem, sir. Thank you.
628-029, State versus Ayanaka, Johnson Gilmore, attorney, George Manning.
I don't see my. Good morning, Your Honor. She's present. This is an MTR. I know what probation's recommendation is, but I think I should still talk to the state just to see their recommendation. I haven't been able to talk to them.
So you want to confer?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
You're number 8 on the conferring list.
Thank you, Judge.
629-060, 629-209, State versus Roy Juarez, attorney, Joe Guillamine.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Joe.
I have Mr. Juarez on the, that you just called, also on the top of page 7, Your Honor. I have another case, Mr. Martin. I believe both my clients are here. I know Mr. Martin's here. I believe Mr. Juarez is in the Zoom as well. I will need to confer with the state, Your Honor.
Which one on page 7 is which one?
The top page 7, Your Honor,
right.
Bobby Martin.
Okay, you're gonna confer. I'll show you conferring on both cases.
I'm here. This is Bobby Martin.
Good morning to you, Mr. Martin. Very good. All right.
Your Honor, can I ask that my clients be excused and I can reach out to them after I confer?
You talking about both of them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Roy Juarez?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Mr. Bobby Martin, you are both excused. Your attorney will be doing some work. Both of you stay in close touch with your attorney.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you, sir.
Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I just logged into Zoom. I don't know if you called my name.
Well, then you wait, okay? You
All
wait
right.
until I either call it or recall it. So wait.
Okay, yes, sir.
629-353, State versus Joseph Guerrero. Matthew Allen is attorney.
Judge Matthew Allen is in Williamson County in trial.
Lucky him, Williamson County. They don't know how to spell justice over there. And Mr. Guerrero, are you present? Joseph Guerrero. Absent at this time. 630-644, State versus Brian Holman, attorney, Patrick Montgomery.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Holman.
Good morning.
Patrick
Good morning.
Montgomery.
Judge
Yeah,
Attorney Pat
spoke
Montgomery is
to him.
running late also.
Yeah, he's got a number 4.
I just popped in, Patty.
Okay,
There he is. Patrick Montgomery is, if he's running late, he's on time to answer. Good
Yes,
morning,
sir.
Patrick. What you got going?
I just got here from jail court, Judge. I got Mr. Byron Holman, and I'll talk to the prosecutor when I get a chance.
You are listed as number 10.
Oh, my, number 10.
631-610, State versus Azim Qureshi. Attorney is Brent de la Paz.
Good morning, Your Honor. He's here, he's present. We're still reviewing a couple of things. Whatever time allotment is, I don't know if there's anything in December, but I guess maybe January, if anything is available in January, we could take that. I do have one other, Your Honor.
Well, wait a minute, let's take
Yes,
care of
sir.
this one here.
Okay,
Can you return in 2 weeks?
I think so, Your Honor.
All
I
right.
just need to verify a couple of things, and then I can let the
Yeah,
court
It
know.
doesn't sound like you'd have to take 30 days to do that.
No, and I just need to know whether or not we're gonna set that for trial.
Patricia, what do we have, the 15th
yes, sir.
Okay, that'd be perfect. That'd be
December.
perfect.
on Mr. Qureshi?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. De La Paz, you have another case you said?
I
What's
do,
the-
Your Honor. It is 605-258. It's the recall from yesterday. I was a little ambitious in trying to get everything going. We just got the paperwork a few minutes ago. My client has some questions. If Your Honor could if we could get that same 15th and I can answer all his questions about it. The other issue is he's supposed to start a job here soon. And didn't want that to immediately jump into, he's starting probation and starting a new job. And he's already been denied a couple of jobs because of.
Brent, after all of this, what are we doing?
Can we bring him back on the 15th as well?
What's the name? You got the case number.
It's on the add-on list, Judge.
Okay. That's add-on list. I only know of one add-on, 605258. Eric
Yes.
Maldonado.
That's him, Your Honor.
Reset to the 15th.
Can you find out on Elder Ruiz?
If she's on.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I have. Maybe excuse.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good
Thank
day.
You too. 632-814 State versus Kelvin Hagan, attorney David Hardaway.
He's present with counsel, Judge. This is our first appearance on this case, and we're still reviewing the discovery. Additionally, he's got another matter pending in Hayes County. We're trying to resolve all of these together in some way. I'd like to ask for a reset if possible on this so I can continue going over the discovery. Perhaps share the videos with Mr. Hagan before we proceed.
Patricia, early January,
January 4th.
4th day of January, Mr. Hardaway.
Sounds wonderful, Judge. I appreciate it. Maybe we be excused.
You are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a happy holiday.
You too.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
Rhonda McCumber here. My lawyer just wanted me to let you know that I have been in the chat since 9. He already spoke with you, Mr. David Volk.
All righty. We'll look at it when we come back to it a second time. What is your
Okay.
name again?
Rhonda McCumber.
She's on page 2, Judge.
All righty.
622440.
Case number 632838, State versus Kiana Ramirez, attorney Mary Petracek.
Morning, Judge. Mary Petrashik here. I have been waiting all morning for you to say my name, and I am excited to be here. If I could just talk with the prosecutor this morning about this case, I think it's our first setting.
All righty, you're listed to confer. You're number 11 at this point. You said your client is here, Kiana
Yes,
Ramirez?
Judge. She is. I checked in the chat. I typed in her name. I don't really see her on my screen, but she's
Yes, Judge, I'm here,
here.
present.
She is.
All
She's
right.
here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
633579, State versus Sarah Hernandez Penalosa. David Garcia, attorney.
Judge, he's in,
Yeah.
I thought we had put him in a breakout room. Yeah, he's number 4 conferring.
How about Herrera Peñalosa? Sarah Herrera Peñalosa is marked absent. Mr. Garcia, you say is in breakout. 634216, State versus Rodney Peña, attorney Adam Crawshaw.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present for
Morning.
Mr. Pena. He is present with his video on. He's unmuted. I just need I conferred with the state last time. I just need a trial setting, please.
How's that little new baby rascal of yours?
It's doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Is he sleeping through the night yet? Adam,
Not at all.
you still
Not at
waking
all.
up? I gotta remind you, remember when, well, never mind. I was gonna talk about a presidential election where, anyway. But we're gonna put you on trial, Adam. You take care and be blessed, be well, be safe, you and that brand new baby and your family.
Thank you, Judge.
634, you're welcome.
We'll be excused.
634-549, State versus Christopher Santos, no attorney. Christopher Santos, absent. On to page 4, 634-760, State versus Travis Houston, no attorney.
I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Houston. Have you hired an attorney?
This is what the Zoom was supposed to be about. It said to hire a tripod, the paperwork and everything for one.
I'm sorry, you're breaking up a little bit on me.
I filled out the paperwork for one.
Okay,
It said on the when I looked it up, it said court for hire.
all right, we'll check it out in a little bit. Make a note, Patty, so we can see about his application.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
And one
Six-
thing, I'm about to board the plane to get back to San Antonio. Is the court still going to be open?
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you, sir.
He says he's getting ready to board a plane, Judge, to San Antonio.
Are you coming here because of this case?
No, I was out of town for work. I'm a truck driver.
He was out of town for work.
All right. Okay, well, go ahead and board the plane and we'll see what we need to do.
Judge, I just need for him to chat. I'm going to ask him for his email address.
All right, did you hear that, Mr. Houston?
Yes, John.
All right. Cases number 635559 and 636137, State versus Anthony Cruz. Attorney Randall Griner.
President,
Hello,
yes, I'm here.
and who is, I presume you're Mr. Cruz?
Yes,
All right. Good morning, Mr. Cruz. Randall Griner? No appearance at this time. We'll have to wait for him, Mr. Cruz. 637149, State versus Destiny Gaynor. Attorney Robert Featherston.
Morning, Judge. We're both present. Would you allow Ms. Gaynor to go? I need to go to the 186 to do a hearing, and I'll check back in with the court when I'm done with that.
Very good. Ms. Gaynor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, your attorney is going to be working hard, and I will excuse you. You can go to work or home or whatever you need to do. Stay in touch with Mr. Featherston, you hear?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 638-626-638, State versus Roberto Delgado, attorney Jerry Kagan.
I'm present, Judge, if I can get in line for a prosecutor.
All right, sir. I believe you're number 12.
Thank you. You're number one with me, though.
Thank you.
Oh.
641-884, State versus Mark Fraga, attorney Timothy Roundtree.
Good morning, Your Honor. We're both present.
Good morning to you both. What you got going, Tim?
Judge, we've got all the discovery. We were waiting on another blood lab. I would ask for a reset to mid-January, and we'll know what we need to do.
All right. We have a blood issue reset. Patricia?
May we set it for January 31st?
Perfect.
31 January. I'm sure that Roundtree will object vehemently. But that's the way it's going to have to be, Tim.
Judge, you'll have to just drag me kicking and screaming all the way to the 31st, I guess.
All righty.
And also, Miss Patty, I sent you a chat. Just want to make sure you got it.
Yes, sir, I did.
By the way, for those that may not know, I say with sorrow that I'm losing my court coordinator at the end of this month. She is retiring. So some of you that may affect, some of you may not. 642-792, State versus Aaron Navarro, no attorney. Aaron Navarro? Absent. Scheduled for 2 p.m. 643-639, State versus Jose Giron, attorney Fernando Ramos. We will recall at 2 p.m. 645-772, State versus Robert Sanford, no attorney. Robert Sanford is marked absent. Going to page 5. 646, 475, and 476, State versus Nikki Purcell, attorney Melissa Christian.
I'm here, Nikki Purcell.
Good morning, Ms. Purcell.
Good morning.
Melissa Christian,
Judge, I'm not sure who is supposed to be her attorney because it shows that she hired Tony Jimenez, but then it shows that Melissa Christian substituted on 2 of her cases.
Well, they were actually supposed to take Tony Jimenez off my cases. So I'm not too sure what's going on with all that or where my attorneys are because they're supposed to be here with me right now.
well, did you hire Judge Christian?
Miss Melissa Christian. And I guess her helper is, I think, David Garcia.
Okay. Well, we'll wait and see if David appears because he's in the breakout with the DAs. We'll see if he's going to take up the mantle on your case. Stick around.
Okay.
647763 State versus Damian Favela. No attorney. Damian Favela, absent. 648819 State versus Joseph Mitchell. Brenda Levenstein. Joseph Mitchell is absent. Brenda Levenstein, no appearance.
Judge, she's running late. She's in other courts.
Okay. OC, other court. 649109 State versus Casimiro Herrera, no attorney. Casimiro Herrera, absent. 649192 State versus Arthur Branch, no attorney. Arthur Branch, absent. 649209 State versus Adolfo Flores, no attorney. Adolfo Flores is absent. 649251 State versus Jesus Ortega, no attorney. Jesus Ortega is absent. Going to page 6. 655216 State versus Ruben Serna, attorney Russell Mitchell.
Present, Your Honor.
Who's
Judge, we
responding?
need to reassign it.
I'm present.
All right.
Okay.
You are marked present. We'll have to give you a new attorney. Ms. Garcia will be in touch with you. Stick around.
Okay.
658930 State versus Kevin Shagag, attorney Alberto Acevedo, the third.
Judge, I'm present. Mr. Shagag is present as well. We're submitting a pretrial diversion application right now, Judge. If we can get a reset, waiting to see if he gets accepted or not.
All right, Patty, reset to 60 days approximately for PTD.
Yes, sir.
And Judge, just on one other, I think you already called it. I may have missed it.
I already called the other case.
On that one, can I get in line to speak with the prosecutors?
Well, what's the case number?
608943 on Edwin Benitez.
608-943. Mr. Acevedo has appeared at 9:32. And we're putting you as number 13, I believe, for conferring.
Thank you, Judge. Can we excuse my client while I wait to speak with the DAs, Your Honor?
Which, you're talking about?
On Edwin.
You talking about Benitez?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Benitez. Edwin Benitez?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your attorney will be doing some work for you.
Okay.
You'll be excused while he does that and stay in close contact with him.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. 661293 State versus Maria Arteaga, attorney Stephanie Esparza.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, Judge. Yes, Ms. Arteaga is on the same, obviously.
And what are you going to do this morning, Mrs. Esparza?
Yes, Your Honor. I actually would like to place this on the jury trial docket.
I am sorry, but I am getting some garbled sounds.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. I'm having equipment issues. I'd like to place this on the jury trial docket.
Jury docket, all right. Patricia, make it so on Ms. Arteaga.
January 28, 2022.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much. Maybe we be excused.
You're excused.
Thank you.
661-779, State versus Abel Rivas, attorney. Anton Hyatt.
Present.
Abel Rivas.
Present.
Good morning, Mr. Rivas.
Good morning.
And Anton Hyatt.
He has 9 other cases, so
Pardon
he
me?
might be running late.
Okay, well, just wait for him. 662272, State versus Miguel Quiroz, no attorney. Miguel Quiroz. Absent. 663580, State versus Ndia Frey or Fry. No attorney.
Judge, she's there.
Ms. Fry?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, did you hire an attorney, ma'am?
No, sir, I did not. I applied for a court-appointed one, and I haven't gotten any updates.
Well, what my docket says is that you were denied the request for a court-appointed attorney.
Okay, so is there a way that I could apply for another, or what do I do if I can't afford one right now?
Patricia?
Judge, I just need her email address. I know she left me a message on chat and she says she's been trying to get a hold of me since yesterday. But
All right.
I just need her email address.
Yeah, Ms. Fry, through the chat system, don't put it out here because then you get all kinds of weird contacts.
Yes.
Go through the chat and get in touch with Ms. Garcia. And we'll see what we can do. 664043. Incarcerated, Lawrence Gavin, attorney, Arlene Gay.
I'm sorry, Judge, may I be dismissed?
Pardon me?
I have her email address now, Judge.
All right, very good. Then I'm sure you can be in touch with her.
Thank you so much.
Again, 664043. Mr. Gavin is incarcerated. Arlene Gay, no appearance. Go to page 7. Six 240, State versus Fabian Morales. John Garcia. Fabian Morales, absent. John Garcia, no appearance. 665-102, State versus Elda Ruiz, attorney, Cesar Serna.
Judge, I'm present for Ms. Ruiz, and she's present as well.
right.
Judge, there is a pending felony out of this same transaction, and so I'd like to see if we can get a reset.
How much time we're going to give him, Patty?
February 1st.
That work for you, Mr. Serna?
Sorry, Judge?
February 1st?
That works fine, Judge.
I suspected as much. Reset. 1st of February 22. 665978, State
Thank you,
versus
Judge.
Fernando Gonzalez, attorney, David Garcia.
He's still in the breakout room, Judge.
Fernando Gonzalez is absent. David Garcia in breakout. 669, 111, State versus Noel Gonzalez, attorney. Let's see, defendant to hire attorneys. He's supposed to be hiring somebody since October, and apparently he is a fugitive, so he's not going to be showing up, apparently. Noel Gonzalez, absent, failure to appear, warrant will issue. 670064, State versus Johnny Valderas, Jose Rocha.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Jose. I believe that my client is also here, but
Yeah, I'm here.
I
there
think I
you
heard him, I
yes.
think I heard him yell out.
Under Johnny A12.
Yeah.
Jose Rocha,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay, what are you doing this morning?
Your Honor, we have just recently made contact with each other. So I would like the opportunity to speak to him a little bit more about, well, speak to him, period, about the case before we start speaking to the district attorney's office. So we were asked for a brief reset. I don't know when you have that available, but
Let's bring you back. to
maybe by
15th.
January.
Let's bring
I'm
you
sorry.
back the 15th of December. That'll give you time to at least make initial contact, and then we see which way you go.
Perfect. That would work, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Valderas, Mr. Rocha, you were both excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
672802, State versus Guillermo Lara, attorney, Matthew Allen.
Judge,
Guillermo Lara,
Judge
pardon?
Matthew Allen is in Williamson County in trial,
Right.
and so is Guillermo Lara.
Ooh, both of them are super lucky today, huh? You're gonna give them a new date, Patty?
Yes, sir, I will.
Thank you, ma'am. And then we have page 8, no cases. Page 9, add-on, which has already been addressed. All right. We have finished calling the docket for this morning.